What's up and welcome back to another vlog. Today I'm gonna do a quick Ross maternity dress haul, and I went to Ross and then I wasn't expecting anything at all, and I didn't even know that they have a maternity section in there. But I think not all Ross have does. The store close to our place has it, and when I went there I was shocked and amazed to see how amazing the clothings are, especially the maternity ones. So yep, let's start one by one. Alrighty, the first thing that I got is this joggers. They are so comfortable. They are maternity joggers, as you can see, and they have a tie here. I love the print. It has stars, gray color, very comfortable. I love it. And then I got this maternity jeans from Ross, just so comfortable. It goes all the way up, as you can see. Hold on. Yeah, it goes all the way up till here. Super comfortable. You have a nice support in your belly, and it's ribbed, it's stylish. I love it. And then I also got this cardigan, long cardigan from the maternity section itself. So yeah, these are all small sizes. These are basically the sizes that I normally wear, but in maternity. Next thing is this sweater. I love it. Super pretty color. You can see my arms. It has buttons and it's so freaking comfortable. Wow, I love it. Next up is this hoodie. Again, small size maternity hoodie, so comfortable. You can see, I can see my nice bump. It also has space to go more. And then I got this biker short, which is so comfortable. It's so smooth and nice, and I love it. I also get tired because I'm almost in my third, I mean not almost, I am in my third trimester. But yeah, I love this hoodie. And also, let me show you, it kind of has like a angel in the back, angel wings, so I love it. That I got is these two things. This is a top. Again, these are all most of the stuff for winters because winters are almost here. This is the full sleeve. I love the detail in here. I love the print. I love that it has more give. Again, hella bump. And then this short, oh my god, this short is everything. It is so comfortable. You can see it doesn't have any elastic or buttons. All it has is this stretchy band that can go all the way up to your belly and support and give you back support. I just love it. Look how cute it is. Can pair it with whatever you want, whatever top, but yeah, love it. If you guys enjoyed my very small quick Ross haul, and if I again go to Ross, I'm gonna shop more and definitely do a haul again. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Until then, bye bye.